while late birth, proud of new clothing, springeth, sings out her woes, a thorn her songbook making, and mournfully bewailing, her throat and tunes expressing what grief her breast oppressing, for Tereus' force on her chest will prevail. Some gladness, that here is just a cause of plainful sadness. Thine earth now springs, mine fadeth, thy thorn without. My thorn, my heart invaded. Oh, 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 oh. Alas, she hath no cause of anguish, but Tereus' love on her by strong hand broken, wherein she's suffering, all her spirits languish. Full woman-like complains, her will was broken. But I, who daily craving, cannot have to content me, have more cause to lament me, since wanting is more.